breezes sway. I see your eyes glimmer in a tender way. Feel the warmth between us, hearts in the night. In this moment, baby, everything feels right. So take a leap, give me. It's a leap of faith. Be behind your doubts, let love illuminate. The future's bright ahead. Can you see it too? A world of endless possibilities for me and you. So open up to love, let your walls come down. Together we can dance to this sweet love sound. Embracing tenderness, let the magic flow. Just say yes to me, let our feelings grow. Caught in hesitation, and love's calling loud. In your heart I see dreams like stars and crowds. Let go of the worries, drop that shining sky. Let's chase the dawn together and no goodbyes. So take a leap, give me. It's a leap of faith. Be behind your doubts and love illuminate. The future's bright ahead. Can you see it too? A world of endless possibilities for me and you. So open up to love, let your walls come down. Together we can dance to this sweet love sound. Embrace the tenderness, let the magic flow. Just say yes to me, let our feelings go. Time's been fleeting shadow, but I wanna stay. Every list of promise, every word you say. With your hand in mine, we'll write our own song in this symphony of love, where we both belong. Life's too short for silence, then our voices blend. With every touch I'm certain this road